Hello students, I am Abdesh Kumar Jha. We are going to discuss the first chapter of history of class 9th. The title of the chapter is The French Revolution. We are going to discuss the reign of terror and a directory rules France in this video. The reign of terror. The period from 1793 to 1794 is referred to as the reign of terror in France. Robespierre followed a policy of severe control and punishment. Many people were arrested and tried by a revolutionary tribunal. They included all those people who were considered enemies of republic by Robespierre. If the court found them guilty, they were guillotined. Peasants were forced to transport their grain to the cities and sell it at the prices fixed by the government. The use of expensive white flour, white flour was forbidden. People were forced to eat the equality bread. A loaf made of whole wheat. It means the use of expensive white flour was forbidden and people were forced to eat the equality bread, a loaf made of whole wheat. Instead of Monsieur and Madame, all French men and women were called as citoyen and citoyenne respectively. Churches were shut down and their buildings were converted into barracks or offices. Robespierre became a virtual dictator of France. Due to his hard policies, his supporters left him in the end. He was finally convicted by a court and guillotined in July 1794. A directory rules France. After the fall of the Jacobins, the wealthier middle classes seized power. A new constitution was introduced which denied the vote to non propertied society. It provided for two elected legislative councils. These councils appointed a directory and executive made up of 5 members. It was meant as a safeguard against the concentration of power in a one man executive. The political instability paved the way for the rise of Napoleon Bonaparte. The ideals of freedom, equality, and fraternity remained inspiring ideals that motivated political movements for France and the rest of the Europe. Did women have a revolution? Means we have to learn the role of women in revolution. Women played a very significant role in the French Revolution. Most of the women belonging to the third estate worked for a living. Only the daughters of the nobles and wealthier members of the third estate could study at a convent. Besides caring for their families, the French women had to cook, fetch water, stand in queues for bread, look after the children, etc. Their wages were always lower than the men. Women in France were disappointed with the constitution of 1791. It reduced them to passive citizens who had no political rights. They demanded political rights, right to vote, to be elected to the assembly, and to hold political office. To express their own views and demands, women started their own political clubs and newspapers. Of them, the Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women was the most famous. In the early years, law were, laws were passed to improve the lives of women. They gained access to education with the introduction of state schools and the system of compulsory education for girls. Women could no longer be forced into marriage by their fathers. They could marry at will. Marriage was not a contract which could be registered under civil law. Divorce was made legal. Both men and women could apply for it. Women could train for jobs, become artists, and run small businesses. During the reign of terror, the government ordered for the closure of women's clubs and banned their political activities. Many prominent women were arrested and executed. Women's struggle for voting and equal political rights was carried on through an international suffrage movement during the late 19th and early 20th century. Finally, in 1946, French women won the right to vote. In the next video, we will discuss about the abolition of slavery and the revolution and everyday life.